That's her. And Huddle in there.
What you gonna do with them?
It's a baby lizard.
No.
Yeah.
It's like ow. Lizard.
You gonna show Zoe? Zoe's gonna come out and see too. Good job. Uh-oh, Blair's got another one. They might fight. Look, Delilah.
See, and this one's a little bit bigger.
And put them in there.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't put them together. I don't know if they'd hurt one another. Nah, that's all right. This is the one with the tail broken.